Hi guys, welcome back to a video. So I'm going to do a little bit of a realistic day in the life with a family of 5, with our 3 crazy kids.
Don't go all the way round.
There we are, we're off to Asda. Do it.
And it's more sturdy that way.
You could, yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, we'll have to figure it out. Brave enough? I have to be. Is that fun? Is Corey going from the top? Get hit the head by a cushion.
Welcome home.
I'm just doing a lot of driving now. Come on to this rubbish.
It's not rubbish.
Welcome home.
Corey! You know,
I'm gonna die.
Corey at this
Time. My turn.
safety, they put some cushions down.
Is that covering all the wall that they've already gone through?
Yeah, probably.
Oh.
Ready? Steady. Go ice cream.
Are you having a go?